Welcome to Mr. English Fast. In today's English lesson, you'll learn how to talk politely and clearly at the office, greeting coworkers, asking for help, joining meetings, and chatting at lunch. Let's begin with Part 1, Morning Greeting. It's Monday morning. The office lights are turning on, computers are starting up, and people are walking in with coffee cups.
Good morning, Mark.
Morning, Anna. You look ready for work.
Ha ha ha, trying my best. How was your weekend?
It was nice. I went to the park with my family. You?
I stayed home and watched a few movies. Relaxing weekend.
That sounds perfect. Ready for our busy week?
Always. Let's make it a good one.
A friendly greeting like this makes the office a happy place. Vocabulary: coworker, a person you work with. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Ready, prepared to start. Busy, having a lot of work to do. Part 2, talking about work. Later in the morning, Anna and Mark start talking about their project.
Anna, did you finish the report for the client?
Almost. I need to check a few numbers.
That's good. The manager will need it by 11 a.m.
Don't worry, I'll send it before then.
Perfect. I'll review the data once it's done.
By the way, did you see the new task list?
Not yet. What's new on it?
There's a new marketing project starting next week.
Oh, really? That sounds exciting.
At work, clear communication helps the team finish tasks on time. Vocabulary: report, written information about a project. Client, a person or company you work for. Review, to check carefully. Task, a piece of work to do. Part 3, asking for help. Mark is making a presentation, but he's not sure how to make it better.
Hey, Anna, can you help me with this slide?
Of course. What's wrong?
I think it looks too plain. How can I make it clearer?
Maybe add some color to the title and a few icons to explain the data.
That's a great idea. Thanks, Anna.
No problem. Sometimes small changes make a big difference.
You're right. I'll fix it now.
It's always good to ask for help. Teamwork makes work easier and more fun. Vocabulary: slide, a page in a PowerPoint presentation. Plain, simple, not fancy. Icon, small image or symbol. Teamwork, working together to achieve goals. Part 4, small talk at lunch. It's noon. The smell of food fills the office break room.
Hey, Mark, what's for lunch today?
I brought rice and chicken from home. You?
I ordered pasta from the cafe downstairs.
That cafe makes the best pasta.
I know, right? And their coffee is amazing too.
I should try that next time.
You definitely should.
Small talk at lunch helps build friendships at work. Vocabulary: break room, a place where workers eat or relax. Ordered, asked for food or drink. Amazing, very good. Friendship, a good relationship between people. Part 5, afternoon meeting. After lunch, the team gathers for a meeting.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let's begin.
Good afternoon, sir.
How's the client project going?
It's going well. We finished 90% of the work.
We just need the final approval from the design team.
Excellent progress. Please send me the updated report tomorrow morning.
Sure, we'll do that.
Thank you. Keep up the good work.
Meetings are an important part of office communication. Vocabulary: approval, official permission. Progress, improvement or moving forward. Update, give new information. Keep up, continue doing something well. Part 6, coffee break. It's 3 p.m. The office is a little quiet. The team takes a short break to relax and get some energy.
Mark, do you want a cup of coffee?
Yes, please. I really need it right now.
Long day, huh?
Yeah, too many emails and calls today.
I know, my inbox is full too. I spent half the morning replying to messages.
That's office life.
True, but it's nice to take a break and talk for a few minutes.
Exactly. A short break helps me think better.
Same here. By the way, are you joining the team dinner this Friday?
Oh yes, I wouldn't miss it. It'll be fun.
Great. I'll bring dessert.
Awesome. Can't wait.
Coffee breaks aren't just for rest. They help coworkers connect and build a friendly team atmosphere. Vocabulary: break and a short time to rest during work. Inbox, where your emails arrive. Reply, to answer a message or email. Connect, to make a friendly relationship with someone. Atmosphere, the feeling or mood of a place. Part 7, giving feedback. Later that day, Anna gives Mark some friendly feedback about his presentation.
Mark, your presentation looked really nice.
Thanks. I tried to make it simple and clear.
You did a great job. Maybe next time, add a summary at the end.
That's a good idea. I'll do that.
Also, your voice was calm and easy to follow.
Thank you, Anna. That means a lot.
No problem. I think everyone enjoyed it.
I'm glad to hear that. Presenting is always a bit stressful.
It gets easier with practice. Don't worry.
Feedback is important in the office. It helps people grow and improve together. Vocabulary. Feedback, helpful advice or opinion about someone's work. Summary, a short explanation of the main ideas. Calm, relaxed and not nervous. Stressful, causing worry or tension. Improve, to become better. Part 8, wrapping up the day. It's 5 p.m., the sun is setting, the office is getting quiet again as everyone finishes their tasks.
Whew! That was a long day, but we did a lot.
Yes, very productive. The new project is moving fast.
True. I'll write my final email and then head home.
I just need to print one last file, then I'm done too.
Are you taking the train home?
Yeah, I'll catch the 5:31. You?
I drive. It's faster for me.
Lucky you. Anyway, see you tomorrow, Mark.
See you, Anna. Have a great evening.
The end of the workday is a good time to relax and prepare for tomorrow. Vocabulary. Productive, doing a lot of useful work. Print, to make a paper copy from a computer. Catch, to take transportation, like a train or bus. Drive, to travel using a car. Relax, to rest and feel calm. Part 9. Security reminder. Before everyone leaves, the manager makes an important announcement.
Before you go, everyone, please log off your computers and lock your desks.
Got it, sir. I already saved all my files.
Same here. Everything is safe and closed.
Excellent. Safety is very important, especially with client data.
Of course. See you tomorrow.
Good job today, team. Have a nice evening.
Security is part of being a professional. Taking care of files, computers, and office materials shows responsibility. Vocabulary. Log off DRS to close your computer account. Lock, to make something secure. Save, to keep data safe on a computer. Client data, information about customers, responsibility, doing what is right and careful. Part 10, goodbye. Another day ends at the office, with teamwork, smiles, and new ideas for tomorrow.
Bye, Mark. See you in the morning.
Bye, Anna. Have a good evening.
Good communication makes every workplace better. Practice English at work. Speak politely, smile often, and help coworkers. Thanks for watching Mr. English Fast. Keep practicing your English daily, at home, work, and everywhere you go. See you in the next video.